HIIT PEAK, and today we're going to be doing a full body HIIT workout.
So for this workout, we're going to be going through 22 exercises performed all in a row for just one set each. We'll be alternating between resistance training movements and cardio movements. For the resistance training movements, we're going to do a 30-second working time, and the cardio movements, a 20-second working time. After the resistance training movements, we'll take a 10-second break, and after the cardio movements, a 15-second break. So our times will look like 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off, 20 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and we'll just keep repeating that until the workout is done. If you like this workout, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to leave a comment below. Let us know what you thought about this workout and what kind of workouts you want to see in the future. Now let's get to work. All right, we got about 20 seconds until we get started with our warm-up. If you have a fitness tracking watch, be sure to start your workout now. Our first exercise we're going into for the warm-up is bodyweight squat to calf raise. So get our feet a little wider than shoulder width apart. What we're going to do here, drop down into squat, come up, calf raise. Here we go. So dropping down, coming up, calf raise. As you drop down, try to keep the weight in your heels, back nice and straight, chest out, head up. Next, we're going to be going in to seal jacks. So we're going to have our feet together and hands out together. For those to start. There we go. So hands out, feet out, come out, just like that. Low impact, you're going to be here like this. Don't forget to breathe. Heels off the ground.
I would say that's hands in.
Hands in.
Out
oh yeah, out in front of us. That's what I was thinking. Alright, next you want to toe touches. Feet nice and wide. Drop down. Touch toe. Come back up. Switch sides. There we go. If you want, you can have your knees locked out, or you can have a slight bend in them. Either one is totally fine. Next we're going into trunk twist. There we go. So all we're going to do here is start rotating at the core. You can bring those feet in a little bit if you want. Go at your own pace here. And then I like to always start kind of pivoting at the hips and feet, rotating around. Next we're going to drop down to the ground. So we're going to do push-ups with an alternating row. So push up on our knees, drop down, push up, row. Drop down, push up, row. If you want to get really fun with it, you can do a push-up with the row, just like that. There we go. Alright, we're going to stand up for our final one. Alternating hip flexor stretch. So feet nice and wide. Drop down, come up, switch sides. There we go. One more here. There we go. Alright, we got about 20 seconds until we get started with the workout. Our first exercise we're going into is bent over alternating rows. So what we're going to do here is grab our bands, step on with 1 or 2 feet. From here, bending at the hips, back nice and straight, alternating on the rows, palms facing the left. Here we go, left, right, or right, left, either way.
Left, right. We'll try to be in sync.
You know, you should have just been a lefty and it would have been a lot easier.
Or you could have been a righty, and then it would have been better.
From what I hear, lefties are cooler. Or more cool, whichever one it is.
Who are you talking to?
Come on. Let's go. One more. There we go. Alright, we're going into step outs next. So just pick a target on the ground. And from here, we're going to hop, step out. Low impact, just no hop. Here we go. Be sure to use those arms. We don't want our arms just flopping by the side like that. Nice controlled movement. Engage the core. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Keep the heels off the ground. Don't forget to breathe. Next we're going into sumo squats. So put our bands out, step on each end, point the toes at like 11 and 1, get our feet nice and wide, dropping down into a squat, coming back up. Here we go. Keeping the back nice and straight, chest out, head up, dropping down as far as you can, every rep. There we go. Try to drop a little further each rep if you can. This is like flexibility and resistance training.
Harder, because I can't bend down that far.
Let's go, a couple seconds. Oh, we gotta get another. There we go. All right, next we're going into squatting lateral taps. So feet close together, dropping down at the hips and knees. And then we're tapping down. There we go.
The first one.
See, you should have been a lefty. Come on. If you want to make it tougher, try to drop a little lower. You need to make it a little easier, stand up a little more. Come on, keep that back straight. Here we go. Next we're going into push-ups or chest press. If you're doing chest press, you can do it standing. Wrap the bands around your back, and then I like to hold it like this, so then the band is on my palm when it's stretching. From here, we're going to press out. We're going to press out, bring the hands together, come back. There we go. Good controlled movements. Exhale when you extend the arms, inhale when you bend them. There we go. So if you're doing push-ups, on the next one you can just flip over and do crunches. If you're doing chest press, you can do a standing side crunch. One more. There we go. So for crunches, Jen will be doing standing side crunches. I'm going to be doing so standing side crunch, hands behind the head, foot out, bring it up. There we go. Come on, halfway we'll switch. Switch it up. Come on. Let's go. 5 seconds. There we go. All right, we're going to shoulder press next. So if you need to, you can do your shoulder press in a kneeling position. I like to have the band under that knee that is down. From here, palms face out away from us. There we go. We're going to press up, come back down. Up, come back down. Make sure that when you're doing this that your elbows are in front of the shoulders. We don't want them way back here. There we go. Come up and down. Exhale as you push up, inhale as you come back down. There we go. Come on. Next, we're going into punch outs. Just keep burning up those shoulders. There we go, feet nice and wide. Just throwing some punches. Come on. There we go. Drive through the legs. Let's go. Come on. Push it out. Let's go. Come on, 10 seconds. Keep pushing. Come on. Woo, there we go. Burn those shoulders up. Oh, we got shrugs next. So, step on the bands with both feet. What I like to do is get a nice wide stance to eat up a bunch of the bands. From here, bringing the shoulders up, not the head down. There we go, so shoulders up, come down. Shoulders up, come down. It's important to make sure that you're not pulling your head down when you're trying to bring the shoulders up. Don't forget to breathe. I'm up, squeeze the traps, back down. Squeeze the traps, back down. Here we go. There we go. We're going to jumping jacks. So feet together, hands by the side. Back down, low impact. Just 1 foot at a time, no jump. There we go. Keep the heels off the ground. Come on. Keep the core engaged. Breathe. Come on. Come on. Here we go. We've got alternating lateral lunge next. So we're going to start in the same position that we did in sumo squats. Feet nice and wide. Hold the bands in the center. This time we're going to drop down to one side, come up, and then go to the other side. Make sure to keep your back straight. Up, switch sides. There we go. Come on. If it's a little too difficult with bands, you can drop and just do body weight. That's totally fine. Also, it's okay to lean forward as long as that bend is happening in the hips and not in the lower back. There we go. One more. Here we go. All right, next we got faux jump ropes. So feet together. So if you're jumping rope, you don't have no rope. Low impact. You're gonna do alternating calf raise or a double leg calf raise. There we go. Keep the heels off the ground, core engaged. Let's go. Couple seconds left. There we go. Bicep curls. Now the fun stuff. Right?
Right.
Right.
Good stuff. I like it.
Stuff we've all been waiting for. Beach muscles here. All right, so palms facing out. There we go. Curling up, coming back down. Good controlled movements. Everything is happening at the elbow. When we come down, we don't want the elbows to push back like that. We want them to stay by the side. Come up, back down. Here we go. Come on. Let's get one more. There we go. Great job. We're gonna run in place next. So right here, little impact. You're just gonna march it out. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Push it out. 10 seconds, come on. I'll try to pick it up. Come on, push yourself. There we go. We're going overhead tricep extension next. So, what I like to do, put one handle on the ground, step on the band, you can step through that long end, bring it up and over. Here we go. So, coming up and down, up and down. There we go. Come on. Extend and squeeze, come back down. Don't forget to breathe. We got one more. There we go, 90-degree squat hops. So, start with feet about shoulder width apart. We're gonna drop into a squat, up, 90, switch sides. There we go, bam. Switch sides, low impact. You're just gonna tap. There we go, come on. Push yourself. Let's go, keep that back nice and straight. Weight in the heels as we squat. There we go. One more. Woo, good job. We got lateral raises next. Back into shoulders here. So step on the band. 1 foot, slight bend in the elbows. And then we're coming out. Back down. Try to have your thumb higher than the pinky. Here we go. Good controlled movements. If you need to, you can always alternate left and right. That's totally fine. Come on. There we go. Keep pushing. There we go, Chinese. So what we do here, do a nice little split stance, hands up, bam, bam. At 10 seconds, we'll switch sides. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Keeping that weight on the front foot. Let's go, let's go. Switch it up. Come on, come on. Engage the core. Squeeze those abs every time. You bring the knee up. Boom, boom, boom. Woo. All right, we're dropping down to the ground here for towel push-ups. If you want to stay standing, then you can do a quicker chest press. So we'll be on our knees here. Dropping down nice and slow. Explode up. There we go. It's okay if you can't get your hands off the ground. Just push up as hard as you can. Boom, just like that. Come on. Let's go. Focus on exploding from the bottom. Pushing as hard as you can. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Alright, we're going to flip over onto our back here for bicycle crunches. Hands behind our head. We're alternating opposite knee to elbow here. So, bam, bam. Go at your own pace. Try to keep the shoulder blades off the ground. Engaging the core the entire time. Don't forget to breathe. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We're going to stay right here. We got leg lifts next. So what we're going to do is take our hands, put them up under our butt here. Keep your head up, legs out, coming up, back down. Here we go. Coming up and down. If this is too difficult, you can always do one leg at a time here. Or after you come up and you come back down, just give it like a 1-2 count rest. Exhale when you contract the abs. When you bring those legs up, exhale, squeeze the core. Here we go. Alright, we're going to flip over. Spiderman Crunches. So, we're going to be in plank position here. We're going to go alternating knee to elbow. So, left, right, or right, left.
Right.
Keep the core engaged. Hands under the shoulders. There we go. Come on. Come on. Couple seconds left. There we go.
Ooh.
We're done.
Good job.
Good job today. Got the sweat coming down.
Before you know, it's over.
Uh-huh.
Good job.
Good stuff. Good workout. Whew, good job today. Hope you guys enjoy the workout.
Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys.
Bye.